talk about how can you change phone number on your Google Chrome app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above here, your photo profile, click on it here, just click on it. When you just click on photo profile, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, so you just click here on manage your Google account, click on it here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. So then you click here on personal info, just click on it. When you just click on personal info here, it's going to take you to this list and you go down. Just keep going down here. Then you click here on phone, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. You do click here on your phone number here. Then here can you just click in this sign, and here can you change here your phone number. When you just click on continue, then check or confirm that's your account, and it's going to take you to change your phone number. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.